Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore MySQL database from phpMyAdmin backups on VPS. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore a MySQL database from phpMyAdmin backups on a VPS, first, log into your VPS via SSH. Use your preferred terminal application to connect. Once connected, access your web browser and open phpMyAdmin. Enter your database credentials to log into phpMyAdmin. After logging in, locate the database you want to restore on the left sidebar. Click on the database name to select it. Next, navigate to the Import tab at the top of the page. On the Import page, click the Choose File button. Browse your local computer for the SQL backup file you want to upload. Select the file and confirm your choice. Ensure the format is set to SQL if it is not already. You can adjust additional settings if necessary, but defaults typically work fine. Scroll down to find the Go button and click it to start the import process. Wait for the upload and restoration process to complete. Once finished, phpMyAdmin will display a success message. You can now verify the restoration by navigating to the Browse tab. Check the tables and data to ensure everything has been restored properly. In case of an error during import, review the error message for potential issues. If needed, fix any SQL errors in the backup file and attempt the import again. If you successfully restore your database, consider logging out of phpMyAdmin for security. This process allows you to efficiently restore your MySQL database from a backup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.